that okay?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Go ahead.
Is that okay?
It's perfect. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः दीपज्योति परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः ब्रह्मरूपस्थं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ब्रह्मरूपस्थं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं चेहि पुत्रांश्च अति स्वच्छामि मे सदा शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः सूर्योदयो भवे सूर्योदयो भवे यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Super, Anindita.
Beautiful, Anindita.
Always.
Very nice, auntie.
Thank you. Thank you.
There's never been a Saraswati Puja cultural program in Riviera without Anandita's performance. And I mean, how many ever times we see you dance, Anandita, it's not enough for us. You know, we keep wanting more from you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was a beautiful beginning.
Means a lot.
Beautiful beginning to this evening.
Oh, very nice.
And thank you, Amartya. Amartya, you have supported the form all the while. Thank you so much.
I really kept him on his toes. Thank you. Thank you.
Great start. Okay, let's move on to the next performance. The next performance is going to be from a little master. Can I request all of you to please go on mute?
শুনতে পাচ্ছ? তুমি বলো।
না বলেছে আমি বন্ধ করে দাও।
So the next performer is a little master, probably one of the kids who I'm connected from the days he was in his mother's womb. You know, blessed with a beautiful voice, a phenomenal sense of music at a very young age. I'm so happy and proud to present Navneet. There he is, ready. Navneet,
Yes, auntie.
are you ready to perform?
Yes, auntie.
So Navneet is going to be singing a Carnatic song. He's seated inside his puja room with all the bhakti and devotion. Over to you, Navneet. Yes, your camera position is brilliant. Yes. Can you just sing a line? Can you just sing a
Devi Name. That one?
good? Yes, good. Go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. I'm going to sing a Carnatic Kriti in Ragam Vasanta, Tanam Adi. Samagama Dani Sa Sani Dama Gare Sa. Devi Rame Mama
Welcome, Navneet.
Awesome. Lovely.
Navneet, at this young age, you know, your Shruti was so good.
Perfect, Navneet. Very well done.
Very well,
Very
Navneet.
well done. Excellent.
Navneet.
Thank you.
Superb, Navneet. Superb.
Thank you.
The first performer in the virtual cultural fiesta to give a Carnatic, a classical performance. Thank you, Navneet. That was really good. God bless.
And I'm really happy to hear this, Priya. I'm so happy to hear this. Yeah. I'm so happy to hear this little one. Well done, Navneet.
Thank you, Auntie.
Navneet, you don't need anything more. Okay? Hearing appreciation, Chandrima made your day, right?
Yes, Auntie.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Keep singing, okay?
Yes, Auntie.
The next performer. Can I request all of you to go on mute, please? Also, please disconnect your video. I can see a lot of them, you know, their faces. If you can switch off your video, that will be great. Thank you for the cooperation. The next performer is another young talent, Riya Shivashankar. She's physically not in Riviera, but her heart and soul is still in Riviera. The entire family's heart and soul is still in Riviera. They are here every weekend. Riya, she's going to be presenting a dance number. Riya, are you ready? Yes, there she is. Always ready to dance. Yes, Riya, can we test your audio, please?
Yeah, Priya, just I'll quickly check the audio.
Sure.
Priya, don't dance.
Perfect.
Is that okay?
Yes, it's okay. Over to you, Riya. Rock the stage.
Dhum ta na 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 dhum ta na na dhum magappa. Dhum ta na de na na dhum magasa. Ragda dhum da da di ra na na na. Da da dhum da da dhum da na na di na na dhum. Ta na di ra na. Gama gama maga ba ba maga sa ni sa. Ta na di ra na. Gama gama maga ba ba maga sa ni sa. Ta na di ra na. Gama gama maga ba ba maga sa ni sa. Coming now, follow my lead. Coming now, follow my lead. Come about, come about, I love what you got. Now follow my lead.
Hey, super.
Very That was awesome, Riya. She did the choreography herself. You know, this virtual platform, this cultural fiesta.
Thank you.
You know, thank you. Good to see you. This program has helped people away from Riviera to connect back with their friends in Riviera. So that's a nice thing. And people are coming forward to register and even perform. So they feel, they are inside Riviera. Let's go to the next performer. That's again a beautiful singer. Karishma, can we have you? Karishma has been learning music for many years. She has passed, graded examinations in Carnatic music. She has a very sweet voice, and she has performed on many stages. So, Karishma, over to you.
Can I just test the karaoke once?
Sure.
Yes, one should test once.
Is it fine?
Yes.
Okay, so good evening, everyone. I'm Karishma, and I'll be singing 2 songs today, one Tamil and one in Hindi. The first one is for the Tamil audience. So. மேகம் நானே இலரகிலே கண்ணரகிலே நீ வேண்டுமே மண்ணடியிலும் முன்னருகிலே நான் வேண்டுமே சொல்ல முடியாத காதலும் சொல்லடங்காத நேசமும் இல முடியாத ஆசையும் நினைத்து தோன்றுதே நீதானே கொஞ்சாதே நாடியன் சரிபாதே நீதானே கொஞ்சாதே நாடியன் சரிபாதே ஆனே. That was the first song. And the second song is for the Hindi audience. नजर जो तेरी लागे दीवानी हो गई दीवानी हाँ दीवानी दीवानी हो गई मशहूर मेरे इश्क की कहानी हो गई जो जब मेरा मानी तो मैंने भी ठानी कहाँ थी मैं देखो कहाँ चली आई कहती है ये दीवानी मस्तानी हो गई मशहूर मेरे इश्क की कहानी हो गई जो जब मेरा मानी तो मैंने भी ठानी कहाँ थी मैं देखो कहाँ चली आई कहती है ये दीवानी मस्तानी हो गई दीवानी हाँ दीवानी दीवानी हो गई सखम में सतूने लगाया मरहम में सतूने लगाया पहचान मेरे इश्क की अब तो पहचान मेरे इश्क की अब तो रवानी 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 मशहूर मेरे इश्क की कहानी हो गई हाँ दीवानी हाँ दीवानी दीवानी हो गई मशहूर मेरे इश्क की कहानी हो गई जो जब मेरा मानी तो मैंने भी ठानी कहाँ थी मैं देखो कहाँ चली आई कहती है ये दीवानी मस्तानी हो गई दीवानी हाँ दीवानी दीवानी हो गई. Thank you, everyone.
Brilliant, Karishma.
Very nice, Karishma. Very well done.
Awesome, Karishma.
Thanks a lot.
Very nice.
Karishma, both songs are very tough, not very easy. you rendered with class. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you,
Keep
Auntie.
singing.
Was the audio kind of clear the whole time?
Yes, it was.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I now invite, with a lot of respect and appreciation, Mrs. Maya Auntie. Auntie, namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you so much for participating, Auntie. You're going to inspire many people in Riviera, not just the younger generation, but even your generation people, right? So, yeah, can we all have a good round of applause for her? I think she deserves it. Thank you very much. Can I now request all of you to please go on mute?
Okay. It's audible, right?
Yes, it's audible. Can you just tilt your camera a little bit because we can see more of her?
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, that's good.
इसके लिए लोक संस्कृति के लिए काम करती हूँ, लोक कलाओं के लिए, जैसे साउथ में रंगोली बनाते हैं उस तरीके से ये सब राज्यों में बनाते हैं, अलग अलग नाम है, हमारे यहाँ इसको संजाबाई बोलते हैं। मैं इसके संरक्षण के लिए काम करती हूँ और बच्चों को पुरस्कार वगैरह देती हूँ और साथ में सब लिखती हूँ, पोयम ड्रामा और शॉर्ट स्टोरी वगैरह सब लिखती हूँ। आज मैं आपको अभी देशभक्ति की एक रचना सुना रही हूँ। भारत का परचम सदा विश्व में लहराएंगे, भारत का परचम सदा विश्व में लहराएंगे, हम सब मिलकर देशभक्ति का तराना गाएंगे। शत्रु करे नहीं वार, शत्रु करे नहीं वार, अब आंख उठा नहीं पाएगा, अगर करेगा वार दुश्मन अब मुंह की खाएगा। भारत की जनता ने मिलकर रणभेरी बजाई है, भारतवासी प्रण कर बैठे, सब मिलकर देश बचाएंगे, भारत का परचम हम विश्व में लहराएंगे। जगत गुरु बनेगा भारत, कोई नहीं रोक पाएगा, वीरों का बलिदान अब व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगा। भारत पर मिटने के लिए मिट्टी की सौगंध खाई है, हर घर में होगा रण बांकुरा, भारत माँ सबकी माई है, भारत का परचम हम विश्व में लहराएंगे, हम सब मिलकर देशभक्ति का तराना गाएंगे। भारत माता की संतान है हम, यूं नहीं घबराते हैं, भारत माता की संतान है हम, यूं नहीं घबराते हैं। देश पर विपदा आए तो मिलजुल कर सुलझाते हैं, महामारी आई है बड़ी विपदा लाई है, क्या हुआ जो घोर संकट लाई है, निकलेंगे हम बाहर, हमारा मनोबल भारी है, झंझावातों से डरते नहीं, यह तो आते जाते हैं। भारत माता की संतान हम, ऐसे नहीं घबराते हैं, भारत माता की संतान हम, ऐसे नहीं घबराते हैं। देशवासियों मिलकर रहना, कोरोना को भगाना है, भारतीय डरते नहीं, दुनिया ने पहचाना है, भारत की शक्ति तो हर संकट पर भारी है, जीत ही जाएंगे, जीत ही जाएंगे, जीत ही जाएंगे हम, यहाँ चाहे जितनी घाते हैं। और एक अभी सबको बंधन हो गया है घर में रहने का, हस्बैंड वाइफ को थोड़ा थोड़ा बर्तन धोने पड़ रहे हैं, थोड़ा किसी को चाय बनानी पड़ रही है, किसी को तकलीफ घर में रहने को बहुत दिन हो गए तो बाहर निकलना है, तो उनके लिए मैंने छोटा सा एक संदेश दिया है, तो सुन लीजिएगा। तेरे सदके जावा में, तेरे सदके जावा में, तू दिल विच रहिंदी, तेनू दिल में बसावांगा, एक चाय पिला जाना, एक चाय पिला जाना, प्यार करती हूँ मैं, तू कप भी धो लेना, प्यार करती हूँ, तू कप भी धो लेना, बड़ी भूख लगी यारा, बड़ी भूख लगी यारा, मैं रोटी बनाऊंगी, तू बर्तन धो सारा, मैं रोटी बनाऊंगी, तू बर्तन धो सारा, वो खिड़की से झांके है, वो खिड़की से झांके है, मैं पलट के ना देखूं, उसे गले ना लगाना है। अरे ताले की चाबी ला, ताले की चाबी ला, बंद करूं सजना, तुझे बाहर न जाना है। बंद करूं सजना, तुझे बाहर न जाना है। बंद करूं सजना, तुझे बाहर न जाना है। आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपने मुझे अवसर दिया बोलने के लिए और सबने सुना। कभी अवसर मिला तो छोटे बच्चों के लिए भी मैंने काफी कुछ कविताएं लिखी है संदेश प्रेरक, तो कभी आप अवसर दीजिएगा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much. Excellent.
Super, super.
Very nice.
Perfect performance for a lockdown, Auntie. Auntie, I'm sorry, I can't speak very fluently in Hindi. I wish I could communicate. But the most relevant and the most apt program for a lockdown. Thank you so much again. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
So especially वो जब बर्तन की बात की थी तो all the men were able to relate to it. Thank you so much.
Giridhar, yeah, we accept you. People are all working. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. So the next performer is already ready, Sharanya. But let me introduce you. So coming from a very culturally rich family, both the parents are extremely talented, very good actors, the main lead role actors of Jatra Party. So what else can we expect from their little tiny product? Sharanya, again, a beautiful dancer and an excellent singer. So today she's going to be singing for us. Sharanya, your guru is also here, right? So it's her blessing. Yeah. So over to you.
Good evening, everyone. Before I start singing, I just want to give a special thanks to my guru, Chandrama Auntie, for being there with me throughout the musical journey. And thank you, Auntie. And today I'll sing Tu Pyar Ka Sagar Hai. Tu Pyar Ka Sagar Hai, Tu Pyar Ka Sagar Hai, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यासे हम, लौटा जो दिया तूने, लौटा जो दिया तूने, चले जाएंगे जहाँ से हम, चले जाएंगे जहाँ से हम, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है। घायल मन का पागल पंछी उड़ने को बेकरार, उड़ने को बेकरार, पंख है कोमल आँख है ढूंढली, जाना है सागर पार, जाना है सागर पार, अब तू ही से समझा, अब तू ही से समझा, राह भूले थे कहाँ से हम, राह भूले थे कहाँ से हम, तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है। इधर झूम के गाए जिंदगी, उधर है मौत खड़ी, उधर है मौत खड़ी, कोई क्या जाने कहाँ है सीमा, उलझना न पड़ा, उलझना न पड़ा, कानों में में जरा कह दे, कानों में जरा कह दे कि आए कौन दिशा से हम, कि आए कौन दिशा से हम। तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यार से हम, तेरी एक बूंद के प्यार से हम। लौटा जो दिया तूने, लौटा जो दिया तूने, चले जाएंगे जहाँ से हम, चले जाएंगे जहाँ से हम। तू प्यार का सागर है, तू प्यार का सागर है।
Excellent, Saranya. Excellent. Let me allow Chandma, go ahead.
Yeah. This song she has completely learned on her own. I have not helped her at all.
Wow.
Yeah, this is completely her own effort, and this is one of the songs I like a lot.
Auntie, thank you for suggesting me to sing it.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. Pragna, nothing more can make you happy, right? Than those words from Chandrima auntie. Yeah. Well done, Sharanya. Well done. Keep practicing, okay? Yeah. We need to see a dance also from you later. Okay. We move on to the next performer.
1 minute. Mr. Sri Kumar is presenting. Can I request Mr. Sri Kumar to come out of that presentation mode, please? If you do so, then the video will not be visible.
Sri Kumar, can you kindly log out otherwise if you're not able to disconnect the presentation mode?
And there is one other option. If somebody is presenting and the main screen is coming, so you can go to the performer and there is an option called pin. So if you click on that pin, then that screen actually gets overridden by the performer. So in case you are in the need of seeing some performance and you're seeing that the screen is off, just go to that performer on the right hand side and click on the pin. So then the video switches. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Ranan.
Yes, may I now request all of you to go on mute and switch off your video. The youngest performer of this cultural fiesta is here, ready to perform. So we had a senior Maya auntie recite a poem and sing a song. Now we have the little Maya. Maya? Oh, wow. That's so beautiful. Hello, Maya. Are you ready?
Yes.
You're ready with your speech?
Yes.
Very nice. Go ahead, Maya. All yours.
Hi all. I'm Maya Arvind. Do you know who started the first cancer hospital in India? Do you know who was the first female doctor in India? Do you know who abolished the Devadasi Act? Muthulakshmi Reddy. She was born in Pudukkottai. At that time, girls were not allowed to study. But Muthulakshmi's father made her study really well. And she came first in her 10th exam. The Pudukkottai Raja helped her study. And she finished college. Since her mother was not well, she wanted to help her mother. So she went to Chennai and started the hospital and she became a doctor. She helped many people, especially women and children. Her sister was not well and she died of cancer. That made Muthulakshmi start the first cancer hospital in India. At that time, Devadasis used to leave very young kids in the temple by saying, God is your husband. And Muthulakshmi stopped the tradition of the Devadasis. Imagine if there were not people like Muthulakshmi, there would not be many female doctors. There would only be men doctors. Muthulakshmi is an inspiration for me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day.
Wow. Be a little more generous with the applause. Young age was memorized. I came to know about Mrs. Muthulakshmi through your speech. Yes, you taught me about her. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sangeeta, for training her. Thank you.
Yeah, she really wanted to talk about Muthulakshmi. So yeah,
Very
thank
nice.
you.
Very inspiring. Very inspiring. Thank you. So we move on to the next performer, a beautiful dancer. She needs no introduction. Anybody in Riviera will know her for her dance. True to her name, she's always happy, always smiling, always bubbly. Can we have Kushi on stage? Hey Kushi, your house is your stage today. Nice to meet you.
Are you guys able to see?
Yes. So Kushi is a trained dancer in Odissi. Today she's going to show us how nicely she can adapt to other styles of dancing. She has chosen a very entertaining number. Can we play the audio, Suresh, once? Can we check?
I'm playing it, Priya.
Okay, Malti, thanks.
Why did it not start?
Yes, Malti, we can hear well. Yeah, go ahead.
Kushi கொண்டு உள்ள போ போறேன்.
Oh, super.
Well done, Kushi. Super.
Very nice, Kushi, very nice.
Very well done.
Thank you. Thank
Was
you.
dancing, Kushi?
I got here.
You didn't forget to present those signature moments in that dance, you know. We were able to relate to Prabhudeva's choreography. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Perfect dance for Saturday evening.
Thank you, Uncle.
That was style with
Very well
grace.
done.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Thank you, Uncle.
Okay, before we move to our next performance, remember we had published that each block will get participation points based on the performances coming from that particular block. So are you all keeping a track of that? So at the end of the performances today, I'm going to be announcing how many points has been awarded to every block. So keep guessing until then. Before we move on, let me introduce the next participants. It's a very cute mother and daughter duo. It's going to be a vocal duet by Janali and Divyana. Janali? Yes.
Yes, can you hear us?
Yes, very much.
And can you see us as well?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay, so after that very beautiful and bubbly performance from Kushi, we move to a song. This song, which is Bistirno Dupare in Bangla, Bistirno Parore in Assamese, and Vistar Hai Apar in Hindi, is an iconic song that had been composed by Dr. Bharat Ratna, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, and he was influenced in his days in the US by the legendary Afro-American singer Paul Robeson. And this song has been composed by him when he returned to India, and he composed a song with the mighty Brahmaputra River as the muse, where actually he's venting out his anger at the river. This song then went on to become an epic song, which was translated to Bangla and to Hindi and sung, literally all over the world. And we are going to perform this song. And in today's times, when as a humanity we are fighting the coronavirus, this song is more apt than ever before, because this song, through the metaphor of the river, asks people to show their human side, to come and be one with the entire humanity. So I feel that is very apt, and that's the reason we chose to sing this song. Before proceeding, we would like to thank our guru, Mrs. Chandrama Sanyal Datta. I have, so Divyana has been learning for a long time, and I've been a student as well. And definitely, we have benefited from all the learning she has given us thus far. Thank you so much. And now we will sing this song. বিস্তীর্ণ পাররে অসংখ্য জনরে হাহাকাৰ শুনিও নিঃশব্দে নীৰৱে বুঢ়ালৈ তুমি বুঢ়ালৈ গোৱা কিয় বিস্তীৰ্ণ পাৰৰে অসংখ্য জনৰে হাহাকাৰ শুনিও নিঃশব্দে নীৰৱে বুঢ়ালৈ তুমি বুঢ়ালৈ গোৱা কিয় নৈতিকতাৰ স্খলন দেখিও মানৱতাৰ পতন দেখিও নিৰ্লজ্জ ভাৱে পোৱা কিয় বিস্তীর্ণ দুপারে অসংখ্য মানুষের হাহাকার শুনিও নিঃশব্দে নীরবে ও গঙ্গা তুমি, ও গঙ্গা বইছ কেন? জ্ঞানবিহীন নিরক্ষরে খাদ্যবিহীন নাগরিকের নেতৃবিহীনতায় মৌন কেন? সহস্র ভরসার উন্মাদনার মন্ত্র দিয়ে লক্ষ জনের সবল সংগ্রামী আর অগ্রগামী করে তুলনা যেন। विस्तार है अपार प्रजाधन पार करे हाहाकार निशब्द सदा वो गंगा तुम, गंगा बहती हो क्यों? व्यक्ति रहे व्यक्ति केंद्रित सकल समाज, व्यक्तित्व रहे निष्प्राण समाज को छोड़ लेना क्यों? इतिहास की पुकार करे हुंकार ओ गंगा की धार निर्बल जन को सबल संग्रामी समग्रगामी बनाते नहीं हो क्या? বিস্তীর্ণ দুপারে অসংখ্য মানুষের হাহাকার শুনিও নিঃশব্দে নীরবে ও গঙ্গা তুমি, গঙ্গা বইছ কেন? ও গঙ্গা তুম, গঙ্গা বহতি হো ক্यों? বুড়ালুই তুমি, বুড়ালুই বুয়া কিয়?
Very nice, Sonali.
Thank you.
Thank you for bringing in the northeastern flavor to this program. Thank you so much. It was so melodious, and it was so nice to see a mother and daughter perform together. That's such a good feeling, right? So how was the experience, Divyana, singing with your mom?
Well, I mean, I feel like our voices go well together.
Yeah. Your voices complemented each other very well. Thank you very much.
Oh, my bad.
And I must mention that, you know, Chandrima, as our guru, also keeps us giving input. So, you know, that we sound good together. So that's another impetus. So thank you.
Well done, Jonali and Divyana. I'm so happy to see you sing this song. We've actually grown up with this song, you know.
Yes, yes, absolutely. I'm sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's move on to the next performance. It's going to be a dance. We move back again to the Prabhakaran's house. The little one is going to be performing now. Priya and Prabhakaran are lucky. They have a daughter who can dance, and now they have, sing, and now they have a daughter who can dance.
Yes, Priya.
Ansika is going to be presenting a rocking number for us. Ansika, all yours.
Priya, can you check this volume once?
Sure. Can I request everybody else to go on mute? Please switch off your video.
Is that okay?
Yes, yes, perfect. The camera has to be tilted a little bit to show her full. Yes, yes, that's nice. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone.
Good luck.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Hansika, and I'm going to dance the Shape of You classical.
Da Come now, follow my lead. Come now, follow my lead. I'm in love with your body. Come now, follow my lead. Dum da na 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 dum dum da na 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 dum dum magappa. Dum dum da na na de na 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 dum dum magasa. Raida dum da 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 di da na 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 na. Da 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 dum da 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 dum da da dum 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 da na 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 de na na na.
Hey, very nice.
Thank you, Auntie.
It looked like a Dora doll dancing for colonial cousins. Thank you so much. Yeah. We move on to the next performance. It's again another mother and daughter duo. It's going to be Vritti and Nupur. Vritti is going to play the guitar and Nupur is going to complement her with her voice. Hi. Can you sing a line? Can we just check the audio? We are not able to hear you.
Audio video.
Nupur, you're not audible. We are still not able to hear you. Can you hear us? Yes. No, we are still not able to hear you. Do you want to take some time to check your audio? Maybe we can move on to the next performance. In the meantime, can you just set right your audio? Is that okay? Can you just show me a thumbs up if that's okay to you? Okay, so it looks like there is a problem. So let's move on to the next performance. We will bring them back after this. Is Sadhana ready to deliver her declamation speech?
Yeah.
Yes, Sadhana is ready. Thank you, Sadhana, for choosing a nice category. And Sadhana has prepared this speech all by herself. She chose the topic by herself. Nobody helped her. So Sadhana, over to you.
Good evening, everybody.
Can
Today
you
I'm going
tilt
to
your
speak
camera
about
a little
an
bit?
interesting social activist,
Sadhana?
Malala Yousafzai. Malala was born in 12th July 1997. Mingora, Northwest Pakistan,
Welcoming a girl child wasn't causing a celebration in Pakistan, but her father was determined to give her every opportunity that a boy would have. In the year 2008, Malala joined school. She loved school, but everything changed after the Taliban took over the town. They made many rules and even prohibited women education. Malala made protest and even many speeches against this. In the year 12th October 2012, Malala was shot by a Taliban gunman while on a bus journey after taking an exam. She fell unconscious in a very critical condition. She opened her eyes in United Kingdom in Queen Elizabeth Hospital. After her rehabilitation, she had an important decision to make, whether to continue her career or stop it. She took the right decision by continuing her career. Malala ensured that every girl should receive 12 years of free, safe, and quality education. She traveled to many places to see people fighting poverty, war, child marriage, and discrimination of gender to go to school. Malala Fund ensures that every girl's story is heard out like hers. November 9, 2014, Kailash Satyarthi and Malala Yousafzai was awarded by the Nobel Peace Prize for their suppression and struggle against young people and children. I tell my story not because it's unique, because it's a story of many girls. It was a quote told by Malala. Education is power, not only to men, even to women. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Hey, very nice, Sadhana.
Super, Sadhana. Super.
Very nice, Sadhana.
Are you guys able to hear?
Nice, Sadhana. Yes, we are able to hear you now.
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Okay. Hi, I'm Nupur. That's Vriti. Vriti, go ahead.
The song is in honor of Dolores, the lead singer of the Cranberries, who wrote the song. And she was an icon for her country, and all her songs included a lot of commentary about social issues across the world and in her country as well. And she tragically died 2 years ago. So this is in honor for her haptics.
Okay.
Are we ready?
We are not able to see her play the guitar. Can you just tilt the camera a little bit to show her guitar? Yes. Yeah. Go ahead.
Another head hangs slowly, child is slowly taken. The violence causes silence, who are we mistaken? Can't you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Oh, oh, do, 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 do. Another mother's breaking heart is taking over. When the violence causes silence, we must be mistaken. It's the same old theme since 1916. In your head, they're surprising. With their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Oh, 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 yeah, oh, yeah. Special guest, my dad. He's not in camera.
Thank you.
Thank you. Great bass.
Yeah, excellent.
Thank you. Lovely.
Very nice.
Thank you so much. Nupur and Riti,
Very nice. Beautiful.
very nice.
Thank you.
Nupur and Riti, thank you so much. I'm not sure if you had a chance to read the messages. That was one of the favorite songs for many people here. I could see a lot of them typing in the chat. And Vriti, hats off to you. Playing an instrument and singing at this age is like phenomenal. Thank you. Thank you so much. We move on to the next performer. It's another rocking dance number from the cute little Barbie doll of Riviera, Advika Mittal.
Hi, Auntie. This is Advika. Should I start?
Can I test your song? I mean, can you just play the song?
Yeah.
Yes. Good to go. Rock, Advika.
मैं डालू दाल पे भंगड़ा तू फिर गिद्दा खा ले चले रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई हेलो हेलो तू मुझे तुमने लगाई येलो येलो बहुत करो मेरे भाई मटका घेरा मुझे बड़ा तड़पावे तू देख ताज भी दिल पर कुड़िए तीर साइक चल जावे कर दे बिन पिए शराबी चेहरा तेरा गुलाबी कोई क्यों ना यमला बन जावे जो इतनी हो बेताबी हेलो हेलो दिल से कनेक्ट करना येलो येलो ये बातें डायरेक्ट करना
Thank you.
Well done. Super.
Very entertaining, Abhika.
Very nice.
So who did the choreography for you?
My sister choreographed it.
Oh, nice. Thank her. Thank Ishita for that. Okay.
Okay.
Very nice. Very nicely done. And your costume looks really good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very
So we go on to the next performer. Before that, let me just give you one little information. All the blocks except 4 blocks have opened their account. Okay. So the 4 blocks from where we have not received a participation yet are RFB, RGA, RH, and REB. But I have received some registrations from RGA and RH. So RFB and RBB, come on guys, go ahead and register. Okay. Let me introduce our next participant, my dear little friend Gayatri. She's been learning Carnatic music. So now we move on to the classical genre again. So it's going to be a treat for people like Chandrima. Gayatri, again, your participation is an inspiration for many of us. Please go ahead with your song.
Yeah. So the song which I'm going to sing is in the Raga Saurashram, Janya of Suryakantam, and composition by Tyagaraja, Saint Tyagaraja. Shri Ganapati ni sevu parare, 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 Shrutama navulara sevu parare, Shri Ganapati ni sevu parare, Shrutama navulara sevu parare, Shri Ganapati ni sevu parare. Vagati pati su pujala je koni, Vagati pati su pujala je koni, Vagati pati su pujala je koni, Vaganadu pusulu beta dina, Vaganadu pusulu beta dina, Shri Ganapati ni sevu parare, Shrutama navulara sevu parare, Shri Ganapati ni sevu parare. मानस नारिकेलादि जंपो फलमूलार किंची मानस नारिकेलादि जंपो फलमूलार किंची गणतरो पुननु महिपै पदमुल गल्लो गल्लालानु लोची गणतरो पुननु महिपै पदमुल गल्लो गल्लालानु लोची అనయము హరి చరణ యుగములను హృదయాంబుజమున నోచి అనయము హరి చరణ యుగములను హృదయాంబుజమున నోచి వినయములను త్యాగరాజ వినోదుడు వివిధ గతుల నితళంగు మని వెడలిన శ్రీ గణపతిని సేరు పరారే శ్రుతమా నబులారా Thank you.
Amazing.
Very nice.
Thank you.
That was good for years.
Hey, grandma.
Very nice.
Ah,
Very nice.
Thank you. Ma.
Gayatri has two kids and two elderly people to take care at home, but she still finds time to pursue her passion, to continue music, and to dance classes. And even she has a passion for doing artwork. She has beautiful jewelry designs she makes. So hats off to you, Gayatri. You are an inspiration to many women in Riviera. Keep doing your work.
Thanks, Priya.
I now call upon the next performer. This girl stole our hearts as Madhavi in the first edition of the Pongal Cultural Festival. You know, none other than Devanshi could have played that character so well. And this year, Pongal, she played the role of Parvati. So we have seen her in Bharatanatyam costume, playing historical characters. Now she's going to present a different dimension to her dancing skills. Over to you, Devanshi. Can we test your audio, please?
Hello, everyone.
Can you hear? Can you hear?
Yes, I can hear.
Please play
Can you play the song?
Yeah.
The song is not really audible. Can you increase the volume?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yes. It's good. Good to go.
Yeah, now you are able to hear?
Yes.
Yes, Rachna.
Okay, fine.
She
Okay,
can start.
Okay.
पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग जग की कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवाने मेरा जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग छुड़ाई घरबार मेरा मखना वे मखना तू ही तो संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घरबार मेरा मखना छुड़ाई घरबार मेरा मखना वे मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घरबार मेरा मखना गोरी गोरी मुखड़े पे काला काला सुरमा तक तक रामा मन करना गुरूर गोरी गोरी मुखड़े पे काला 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 सुरमा तक तक रामा मन करना गुरूर के मचावे दिल में डोलावे कहने तेरा लग कोई पाए बचना तड़ पावे लुट जावे तड़ पावे लुट जावे मेरा लाल कगरा तड़ पावे लुट जावे मेरा लाल कगरा रात नींद न आवे नी मेरा लाल 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 नी मेरा लाल कगरा
Thank you.
Hey, excellent coach. Very well done. Superb.
Such a graceful performer you are, Devanshi.
Excellent.
Very stylish and good selection of songs.
Thank you.
You know, some of the evergreen dance numbers you chose. You know, it was very nice. Very nice to see you do this.
Thank you.
And good luck. You're
Very
going to your
well.
12th grade. Good luck for that.
Thank you.
Thank you for taking time and performing in this virtual cultural fiesta. So, whoever is online, any guesses on which block has scored the highest participation points? All of you can unmute now and screen some number. Any guesses? RD is, yes, close, very close to the leader, but the leader is RK. Is lead table. And RK opened their account this week and they're very close to RK. So we will publish the points table this week. Okay. Let's move on to the next performance. It's going to be a poem recitation from Utkarsh. Utkarsh?
Hello, Auntie.
Hi, Utkarsh. Are you ready?
Yes, Auntie. Good evening, everyone. My name is Utkarsh, and I'm going to recite a poem which is based on food. Food. It is the beauty of a life. Sometimes you eat it raw. Sometimes you cook it. Sometimes you stir it and drink it with a straw. And sometimes you cut it with a knife. If you burn it in wood, it tastes very good. Yum. Food. We all like to eat pizza, burger, French fries, which is all unhealthy. If we want to stay fit and wealthy, we should eat healthy. If we want to stay away from diseases and plight, we should exercise and never compromise. Food. It makes us delightful and powerful. When we have food, it gives us a feeling which is absolutely wonderful. These are a few lines about food, which actually sets our mood. Food, food, food. We love you, food. Thank you.
That's so nice and so apt.
Nice, very nice, very sweet of you.
Very short and sweet. And you chose a topic which is very, very dear to many people, especially to me, the foodie that I am. Yeah. Thank you so much. Did you write this poem?
Yeah, this poem is written by me only.
Very nice, very creative, very nice. Keep writing more, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. So we move on to the penultimate performance. That's going to be a vocal by Isha Nimile. Isha, are you ready?
Yes, Auntie.
Very nice. I can't see you. Yes, I can see you. Do you want to play your karaoke track? Can we check?
Okay.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Don't forget to like us on Facebook.
Can you hear it?
Yes. Go ahead.
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Isha, and before I start, I would like to give a big thanks to my Guruji Chandrima auntie who has inspired me to learn music. I would also like to thank the organizers who have given me this opportunity to sing. So today I'm going to be singing Main Kaun Hu from Secret Superstar. कोई ये बता दे मैं हूँ कहाँ, कोई तो बता दे मेरा पता, सही है कि नहीं मेरी डगर, लूँ कि नहीं मैं अपना ये सफर, डर लगता है सपनों से कर देना ये तबाह, डर लगता है अपनों से दे देना ये दगा। मैं चांद हूँ या दाग हूँ, मैं रात हूँ या आग हूँ, मैं बूंद हूँ या फूल है, मैं हूँ सुकून या हूँ कहर। कोई बता दे मैं कौन हूँ, मैं क्या हूँ, मैं कौन हूँ, यकीन नहीं खुद भी मुझको प्यार, क्योंकि नहीं मैं फर्क पड़ता क्या, किसके कंधों पे रो हो जाए जो कटा, किसको राहों में ढूंढूं हो जाए जो पता। मैं चांद हूँ या दाग हूँ, मैं रात हूँ या आग हूँ, मैं बूंद हूँ या फूल है, मैं हूँ सुकून या हूँ कहर। मैं रात हूँ या आग हूँ, मैं बूंद हूँ या ओले, मैं हूँ सुकून या उतर। मैं कौन हूँ?
Very nice.
Wow.
Very
What
Thank you
what
so much.
Hello, Nisha. Very nice.
Voice flowing was so good.
I've seen all the
You have
dance
a lovely voice.
Thank you so
Lovely
much.
voice, Isha. Thank you for entertaining us so well. That was an awesome performance.
And also, I
Yeah,
would
you make
Isha, you took me by surprise. This was absolutely fantastic.
thank you, Auntie.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. I'm so happy.
wow, wow. That's the best comment that you can receive, Isha. I must say that Isha actually, within a very short time, she rehearsed and she participated in this program. So, thank you very well. Thank you very much, Isha. Very well done.
Thank you so much, Auntie.
So we move on to the last performance. This performer is again not new to any of you. Shreyas, he is always a wonder boy when it comes to the keyboard. Another student of Chandrima. Shreyas, are you ready?
Yes, Auntie. Can anyone hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. And I can see your keyboard this time.
Can you hear the keyboard?
Yeah. So what are you?
Yeah, okay. Wait, first could you hear the keyboard, everyone? Yeah, okay. I'll be playing Faded by Alan Walker. So before I start, I would like to thank Chandrima Aunty for being my guru and teaching me how to play keyboard.
Go ahead. Hey, brilliant, Shreyas.
Very nice.
You make it so easy.
Again,
Chandrika, your student is looking forward to your comment.
Yeah, Shreyas learned this song on his own. I obviously don't teach, and I haven't even heard half of these songs. So I teach them the basics, and then he goes home and he learns, songs on his own. So it makes me really happy. Well done, Shreyas.
Thank you, Auntie.
Well done, Shreyas, and that was a nice finale to this whole event. I must say that all you audience were very, very cooperative. I didn't have to repeat, to tell you to go on mute. So please keep up this enthusiasm. Keep registering. There is no last date for registration. I hope you all had a nice, fun-filled Saturday evening. We hope to bring you back again, the 3rd edition next Saturday. We have some very good registrations, very interesting, uncommon people coming forward and performing. So please log in again and, keep encouraging everybody. Ranan and Giridhar, do you have anything to say?
No, thank you so much, Priya, for hosting it. And thanks to everyone. I think we're really enjoying these Saturday evenings.
I have something to say.
Go ahead, Chandrima.
Yes, Chandrima, go ahead.
I saw this name Dipankar Khasnavish on the list for vocals.
He disappointed us today, I have to say.
No, but he cannot do this. He cannot ditch us last moment. He has to sing a song for us.
Yeah, please repeat that again.
Yeah, please.
He cannot
He's still on.
at the last minute.
No, he can't be just singing to
That
us at the time. He has to sing for us also.
Yeah, maybe next week he will entertain us. Yeah. That's another request I would like to make. People who have registered, once the list we publish, kindly let us know if in case you're not available. If you can let us know ahead of time, we might include somebody else in place of you. So that will help us, organize it better. So please let us know a little ahead of time. Other than that, anything to add, Giridhar?
No, I think you have covered it all. I would like to thank you and Ranan once again for organizing this so very well. And I would like to thank all the participants. And I really hope and pray that we have more and more requests in the coming days. We will be delighted to organize this for all of you. So together, we are so glad that we are doing our bit to enhance the mood of the reverence here. So thank you so much, everybody.
Okay, thank you.
Hi,
Thank you,
Priya.
Riviera, and good night.
Hello.
Good night.
Yeah, what
Good night.
about our
Yes.
dessert? Giridhar?
The dessert, either it should be a Meera Bhajan from Chandrima, or it should be Ranan's turn this time to give you a dessert.
Yes.
Ranan is actually a great singer. I don't know how many of you have heard him sing. So
Yeah,
Ranan,
I'm fine. Absolutely. Go ahead. Ranan.
I
But we
think
need
whoever
dessert.
has left will not join next time.
Last time only you told that we will have dessert every day.
Hey, I have a question to ask.
Sure, go ahead.
Ranan, Giridhar, and Priya, can you share what you
Yeah.
eat every day? So that, if we try eating that, we probably will get the same enthusiasm that you guys have.
I
See,
purely
we'll
go based on what my wife makes.
See, who is saying that?
So lucky. Giridhar, I must say, Shobha is so lucky. Huh? And Aparna,
No,
are
at
you
least after
talking about
reading that-
enthusiasm?